Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today we're going to be installing carbon fiber pillars add-on to the Civic Si. This one is a coupe, so there's a two-door. We will have these available for the two-door and four-door, so which will include the sedan and the hatchback. So these are really great add-on. These are flexible material, real carbon fiber, and yeah, so really easy. This is to cover on the Si is like a matte finish, so adding this nice little accent should make it pop. Real easy to install. Clean the area, remove the backing tape, and align and press. First step I like to do is I like to position it to make sure we have a full clearance from top to bottom, so that way I can either start, once I start peeling, I can start from the bottom or the top, so that way you can move and work your way either direction. I like to work from the top to bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling from the top area, just enough slack so that I can go ahead and position it, still check that I have a full and alignment on the OEM pillar, and make sure that it's still there, and I continue pressing and pulling this backing tape. So we'll start from the top. You want to go from the edge right before the curvature that you have here. So we'll start from there. We'll press down as we go, making sure we're still aligned and going down straight. If at any given time you see that it's going slanted, you can always peel back and then come down. Like so. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this here. If you also create some bubbles for whatever reason, you can always peel back and press down. There's not any issues if you go ahead and do this, but you want to do it right away. As soon as you spot it, peel off and go ahead and do it. If you encounter any issues, misalignment, or any air bubbles that you may get, you want to go ahead and take care of that right away before you finalize the install. Here's the last bottom piece. Remove the whole backing out. And like so. It's that easy. Now we have this one already nice in position. We'll go ahead and work on the opposite side, and we'll finalize the install. Same process for the opposite side. In this case is the driver's side. We started with the passenger. We'll go ahead and peel some slack, position, I'm gonna get it edge to edge right before that curvature. Peel back, pull, and press all the way till you get to the bottom. And there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. You can find these on our website at boostedwhips.com under the 10th Gen Civic category. Just looks phenomenal. Show you the driver's side. If you have any questions, comments, again, drop them below, and check us out at boostedwhips.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.